Welcome to our page. Today we are talking about modern Japanese technology. 1. Robotics. 1. Development and usage. Japan has an established record in developing robots that are used both in manufacturing industries and in everyday life. 1. Some robots are capable of performing tasks such as teaching, for example, Pepper, providing healthcare assistance, and helping with household chores. 2. Smart manufacturing systems. Industrial robots help increase productivity and enhance manufacturing efficiency by managing equipment and various technological processes. 2. AI and machine learning. 1. Various applications. Japan is actively developing intelligent systems that can learn from data and make automated decisions. 1. These technologies are applied in sectors such as healthcare, education, and industrial management. 2. Service improvement. AI improves accuracy and speed in service delivery, including security monitoring, logistics management, and digital commerce transformations. 3. Advanced transportation, bullet trains, Shinkansen. 1. Speed and safety. The Shinkansen high-speed train system is renowned for its rapid speeds and excellent safety record. 1. It facilitates daily commuting by offering fast, reliable, and safe transportation. 2. Continuous upgrades. This technology is constantly being enhanced with new technical systems to further improve efficiency and reduce energy consumption. 4. Electronics and home appliances. 1. Globally renowned brands. Companies such as Sony, Panasonic, Toshiba, and Canon manufacture high-quality electronic devices. 1. Their products are popular worldwide, solidifying Japan's reputation as a leader in this industry. 2. Advanced technological expertise. The development of computers, televisions, and household appliances in Japan uses the latest technology to ensure products remain modern and of exceptional quality. 5. Smart cities and IoT. 1. Smart cities. Japan is investing in smart city projects that utilize internet technology to manage and improve public services like electricity, water supply, and healthcare. 2. IoT, Internet of Things. Various devices are interconnected through the internet to collect and transmit data, which is then used to make informed decisions and efficiently manage systems in smart cities. 6. Industrial sector and automobiles. 1. Automobile production. Companies such as Toyota, Honda, and Nissan lead in producing vehicles that incorporate new technologies, including electric vehicles, more fuel-efficient models, and autonomous driving systems. 2. Lean manufacturing and automation systems. Japan has developed robust manufacturing systems enhanced by robotics and automated control, which help reduce errors and boost productivity. Key points. 1. Integration of technology and culture. Japan has a culture that respects and embraces technology, integrating it into everyday life. 1. These innovations have positioned Japan as a model for future development and societal transformation. 2. Global impact. The advanced technologies developed in Japan not only drive domestic progress but also have a significant influence on the global stage, fostering innovation and change in other countries. In summary, Japan has leveraged research and the integration of cutting-edge technologies to drive progress across various sectors. The combination of technological innovation, cultural integration, and efficient resource management has made Japan a model for modern development and a highly influential nation on the global stage.